Hello little artists. Welcome back to Study Class channel. In today's video we learn something smart. Let's start. At first, we took a black marker. Now, we start the drawing. First, we draw a straight line. Next, we draw a curve. Parallelly, we draw another straight line. And join this too. Here, our roof drawing is completed. Now we draw two straight lines parallelly. And this is the wall of the house. Then we join two straight lines. And parallelly, we draw a big straight line. Next, we draw a rectangle shape to draw the door. Here, we draw a square shape to draw the window. Then, we divide it. Now, it's time to coloring. We use red color to color the roof, the top of the house. Red color. Red color. This is blue color. Here, we use blue to color the wall of the house. Blue color. Blue color. We use yellow color to color the door of the house. Yellow color. Pink color. Pink color. Blue color. Purple color. Pink color. Green color. Green color. Green color. Yellow color. Blue color. Now, our drawing is completed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye. Hello little artists. Welcome back to Study Class channel. In today's video we learn something smart. Let's start. The saying an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Hello, little. Do you like apple? So, this video for you. At first, we draw the cutting. Next, we draw the body part of the apple. Here we draw curve to draw the apple. Apples are a popular and nutritious fruit enjoyed worldwide. They come in various colors like red, green, and yellow. Lastly, we draw the leaves of the apple. Apples are a good source of fiber and vitamin C highlights their potential health benefits. Apples can be eaten fresh, used in pies, or made into juice. Apples are amazing fruits, loved by everyone. They come in many colors like red and green. Red color. And are super good for us. They have several health benefits like fiber, which is good for our tummies, and vitamins that help keep us healthy. Red color. Apples are a popular and nutritious fruit enjoyed worldwide. They come in various colors like red, green, and yellow. Red color. Apples are a good source of fiber and vitamin C highlights their potential health benefits. Red color. Apples can be eaten fresh, used in pies, or made into juice. Apples are amazing fruits, loved by everyone. They come in many colors like red and green, and are super good for us. Green color. Green color. Green color. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye.